Teachers with guns. That seems to be a big part of where the discussion of school shooting safety is now going. And during his open listening session yesterday, President Trump talked a lot about it. Specifically, the president talked about having properly trained teachers and coaches and others carry guns in school as a defense and as a deterrent. So, will it happen here in Georgia? That's not clear yet, but the Gwinnett County Sheriff posted this on Facebook tonight. We appreciate our community's dedicated teachers and want to support them in any way that we can in regard to their personal safety outside the classroom. So, Sheriff Butch Conway is offering a responsible firearms carry and safety class for all local teachers at the end of March. Now, we posted this on our Facebook page, and yes, there was a reaction. Aaron says, gun safety is never a bad thing. I've never lived in a state that didn't offer such programs like this. Linda says if they are attempting to keep kids safe at school, they need equal firepower to what the assailants have, period. And Brittany says, and make sure these teachers have the right state of mind and background checks or else they'll be shooting for the wrong reasons. I can see it now.